When you guys have a credit card that said that they can give you 3% back on dining, and sometimes you can use it outside the country, check to see if they have foreign transaction fees first, because sometimes just because you're getting that 3% back, it's not going to be worth it if you're thinking about using outside the country and they're going to charge you transaction fees. And a lot of times when they have like the 3% back on dining, a lot of cards that's only going to be for within the United States. The best thing that you can do is call the back of your card or call a company and say, hey, if I travel with this card, I use it in another country, am I still getting my 3% back on dining? Like, that's the best way, is to call and verify it, because sometimes companies change rules. And I just want to make sure that you guys have like the most up-to-date information. So call them and ask them, and double check the foreign transaction fees. That's very important, because if you're getting charged foreign transaction fees, who cares what your cash back is going to be? So definitely double check to see if your foreign transaction is going to be on that